your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Girl, and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, but shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vico, or a grand perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or is it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy,
Bro.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me if I keep sick of me. Don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Baby, this was for you.
Mr. G is idiot.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven said, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a back for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the floor, but I love me a bitch. He on my dick and she my secret. Tryna dish me, know about peeping. I can't respond with this boy as you people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shovel won't be, and I would go ahead to fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the little fish. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab a neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bears and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' chill, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the hit, I'm just chillin'. But I send the hill, I chill my children. Big in the business, the big in the office. I fuck around and found me a strand, and I thought up, they talking my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my carter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why.
Dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them I close no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my move. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make a nigga come finish you. Know you being charged, yeah, you look like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the beat. President's attention, I buy when I see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like coke on the engine. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm quick from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm coke from the pavement. I'm million all hundreds, these niggas gon' go crazy. Man, get on the baby.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm doing a review for Cheetah Beauty hair and I am reviewing this 360 unit. I did a 360 unit previously and I think the last time I did it, I just did like, you know, a basic ponytail, but today I wanted to get a little bit more creative and do 2 ponytails and I think it turned out so good. I love it and I really like how silky straight this hair is as well, but I did put just like a little bit of bump at the end so it's not just like, you know, too plain Jane, but this is the vibe, okay? And this is a 360 unit, so there are tracks that are sewn down the middle, so my part does not go all the way back. So I'm not even gonna show y'all the back, okay? So I know some of y'all gonna be like, but I wanna see the back. You tried it. 360 units are better for like just straight up ponytails. Doing 2 ponytails is just a little bit different because like I said, the tracks start like right back here. So I'll just show y'all and be transparent. The tracks start back there. So that's why, you know, I don't even want to do the whole spin around thing because the part doesn't go straight to the back, but you guys still get the vibe. It's so cute. I really like how it turned out. So yeah, you guys, this is a 24-inch unit. This is where it's hitting me in the front. So even though it is a 24-inch, it still hits me pretty decent in the front. Like the ponytails are still, you know, pretty long, and I just like how they came out. I wish I had like some bollies so I could put like some bollies on my ponytail. That would be so cute. Might be a mess back there, okay, because this is not meant to be in 2 ponytails, but I still pulled it off and it came out so cute. So here's an up close look at it. Like I said, the quality of this hair is actually really good. As you guys can see, it flat irons so beautifully. And then this is a close-up look at my edges and everything. And I did pluck this unit. So if you guys wanted to know what I did as far as customizing goes, I did pluck this unit. I did bleach the knots in this unit, and I also plucked it as well. So that's why it's giving what it's giving, okay? And then I just added like 2 little swoops right here. You know, I didn't do like all the baby hair. Like I didn't do like any sideburns down here, but I definitely could have. But yeah, this is pretty much how it turned out. As far as the density for this one, I would say this is possibly about 180% density. I don't feel like it's anything thicker than that, but if you wanted to have a thicker unit, you can definitely go up in the density, and you can go for like 200 to 250% density. That would actually still look really good, but just keep in mind, the thicker the density, the more work you're gonna have to do as far as customizing goes. You're gonna have to pluck it a whole lot more because it's gonna be so thick. So just be prepared for that if you do go up in the density. But you know, I still think that it's a decent density, especially for me to have put it in 2 ponytails. It's not giving like 2 thin, fragile ponytails. You know, they look pretty good. And as y'all can see, the hair just moves so effortlessly. It's just really flowy. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys 2 ponytails because I've definitely done like 1 ponytail before, but I'm just like, girl, I just want to switch it up a little bit, do something a little bit more cute and creative. And this is a style that I came up with today, and I absolutely love it. But I would say this is also a really great fit. So for the girls out there that have like smaller heads and you have a hard time rocking 360 units, I think they did such a good job with this because it's so flat. Like I'm not gonna turn all the way around, but you guys can see, like, you guys can definitely see like it's laid down pretty flat. Like I don't have like a bunch of extra, you know, fabric that's loose here in the back. Like it's just perfect. So I really like the fit for this one, which is so important when it comes to a 360 install, because if it's too big, you're not going to be able to do the hairstyle that you want to do. So I like the fact that it's a very snug fit. It does have the adjustable straps in the back, which are just perfect, and it has a comb at the top and then 3 combs in the perimeter, so you can like hook it on each side just to make sure the whole thing lays flat. But I didn't even have to use all of the combs. I just used the 1 back comb in the back, but I still do have that comb back there. So yeah, she's cute. She's definitely giving. She's cute. She's giving. Yeah. And like, just look at how she flows. Like she just, whoop. What? Excuse me? What? Who said something? Period. All in all, I think this is a great unit. So if you're looking for a 360 unit, I think this is definitely the one. If you're interested, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this hair along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Cheetah Beauty Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sitting over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.